Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready to save your changes, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!